Welcome to today's booty and hip workout. Real quick before we get into the workout, I just wanted to let you know that there's a 10-minute version of this workout available to premium members exclusively on my website, and it is so good because it places extra emphasis on the booty. Go up over to my website, kobokofitness.com, so you can get VIP premium access with extra love in all the workouts. Let's jump into the warm-up. For our warm-up today, we're going to be doing knee hugs. You want to keep your core tight and pull that knee as close to your chest as you can. If you need a longer warm-up, you know what to do. Pause the video, get that in. There are suggestions for you in the description. You're doing a great job already. I love it. First move of the day is the double squat and lift. You want your legs to be as wide as you can, toes pointed out, and you try to touch the floor with your fingertips. That's your goal. If you don't actually touch the floor, don't sweat it. Go through your own range of motion. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Beautiful. When you drop into that squat, you're going to pulse just a little bit. See that? Good, you got it. Do it again. Raise your hands up toward the ceiling. That looks beautiful. Make sure your toes are pointed out. I like what you're doing. You're almost there, almost there. That was literally perfect. Go straight into your side kicks. With your side kicks, it's so important to keep your core nice and tight. And when you punch your arm, try to get your arm parallel to your leg. This might be a bit, weird at first, but you will get it. The more you do this workout, the easier it gets. That looks good. That's your version. It looks good. Keep your core tight. It will help you with your balance. Beautiful. The more you do this workout, the easier it gets. Kick your leg out. Your goal here is to get your feet at your waist level. I know. Whose idea was this? It wasn't me. Okay, it was me. But it came from a place of love, okay? Awesome work. Give me some crab walks. It's not a complete hip workout, booty workout, and we don't have crab walks in there. You're going to be in that squatting position as low as is comfortable for your body, and you're taking big steps from left to right. If you have dumbbells, you can hold on to them. It will make it more challenging. Otherwise, let's go body weight. Do body weight with me. Take very big steps, the biggest steps your body can support. Keep your arms at your chest level. Make sure your core is tight. That is awesome. Yes, you can. You're doing amazing. It's supposed to burn. If you don't feel it now, you will feel it tomorrow, so make sure you foam roll. You have a really quick break coming up in just a few seconds, so push through. You're almost there. Almost there. Yes! While you're catching your breath, I just wanted to quickly mention that on my website, I have planned your whole year of workouts for you. January through December, you never have to think about what workout to do ever again. All the work done for you. You also get access to my booty program. You also get access to my 30-day challenge and my belly fat program. All this is available to you to try for free on kobokofitness.com. So go ahead, check it out. I think you'll be very glad you did. Welcome back. We're going into squat pulses. You're just going to do some gentle squats. You're not going all the way down. Going all the way down is not the point here. I'm going to tell you more about it as we go, but if you have a dumbbell you want to use, grab it because this train is leaving the station. You're doing a quarter squat. The key here is when you're standing back up, you activate your glutes by squeezing them. You never really fully stand up, never really fully go down. It's like you don't know what you're doing. You know how some of us are with men? We don't really know. We're neither here nor there. Okay, I'm going to stop. That looks awesome. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You're going to go into a side lunge and attempt to touch the floor. I say attempt because you may not be flexible enough to actually touch the floor. Go through your own range of motion. Your body knows what you need. Step, touch. Make sure you're taking a nice big step. Each time you step from side to side, lean back, sit back just a little bit, toot your booty backwards. It's going to help you get your form right so your knees don't go too far past your toes. That is awesome. Keep that core engaged. How sweet does it feel? Less than 10 seconds to go. And time! You did awesome! Thank you so much for working out with me today. If you're a premium member, make sure you log in to see the 10-minute version of this workout. I have to say it's litty. It's lit. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next workout video. I love you.